Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we delve into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since May 23, 2025, our system has identified NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.07. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 3.4%. This results in an average daily loss of 1.7% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 16% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -38% and -8%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects an expected change of about -11%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -27% to nearly 60% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within the range of $2.68 to $5.90. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline "Red Day on Tuesday" for NIO. The NIO stock price fell by 3.4% on the last day, Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, from $3.82 to $3.69. It has now declined for 6 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.03%, with a day low at $3.63 and a day high of $3.74. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 12.14% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 26 million shares, though this was accompanied by declining prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the risk could slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 47 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $173.42 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price is 52.14% or $4.02 below the 52-week high, and 94.49% or $63.30 below the all-time high on January 11, 2021, when it peaked at $66.99. NIO is currently facing significant pressures in the volatile Chinese auto market, characterized by an escalating price war. Recently, BYD, the country's leading electric vehicle manufacturer, announced widespread price cuts, prompting fears among investors about a potential industry shakeout. This price reduction strategy could likely compress margins across the sector, adversely impacting NIO's profitability in the near term. NIO stock has already experienced a notable decline. In Hong Kong, shares dropped to their lowest point since April, highlighting investor concerns regarding the intensifying competition within the electric vehicle market. With NIO's stock retreating significantly from its previous highs, there is mounting anxiety around its market position compared to rivals such as Tesla and BYD. In addition to these short-term pressures, NIO is preparing for its annual general meeting on the 25th of June, where the outcomes could provide clarity on its strategic direction. This upcoming event may influence investor sentiment, potentially swaying stock performance either positively or negatively, depending on the resolutions passed. In the long run, as the electric vehicle market continues to evolve, NIO's ability to innovate and adapt to competitive pricing strategies will be crucial. Investors will need to watch how effectively NIO responds to these challenges in the context of its growth plans and overall market positioning. The unfolding dynamics in the Chinese auto industry will likely remain at the forefront of NIO stock performance moving forward. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities rated NIO as neutral with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo issued an equal weight grade for NIO along with an upgrade action. On the same day, Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, Macquarie also rated NIO as outperform with an upgrade action. Earlier, on Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup once again rated NIO with a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also classify the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NIO stock is displaying sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. On upward corrections, resistance is expected around levels of $3.92 and $3.84. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by approximately 14.39%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. It's advisable to monitor this stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your attention. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots reflect a sell signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 20 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 38 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.52, which may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with a commendable trading volume, the risk associated with it is deemed to be medium. Over the course of the last day, the stock fluctuated by 11 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 3.03%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.47%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. Nevertheless, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 3rd of June, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 22 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.75. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.52. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest transaction occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO currently shows several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this stock remains negative. Following an analysis of the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overstated. For trading on Wednesday, the 28th of May, we expect NIO to open lower by 1/3 of a cent and commence trading at $3.69. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.